There's only so many songs that I can sing to pass the time. And I'm running out of things to do to get you off my mind. Oh, all I have is this picture in a frame.
Dear Hillary, kahit malayo man tayo sa isa't isa, ikaw lang ang nag-iisang babae sa buhay ko. I know we don't get to talk or see each other much, but being apart doesn't change the way I feel about you in my heart. Sure, I'm lonely and sometimes I'm overwhelmed with this emptiness in my chest. But just remember that I love you and everything about you. That's what gets me through every minute of every day that I'm without you. I long to hold you and feel your sweet caress. I have never loved anyone as much as I love you. I wanted to tell you how much I love you. Even though we haven't seen each other for a long time, it will be worth it. I want to spend every second of my life with you. I promise that you won't regret waiting because I will always love you more than any other person could love you. And I mean it. Happy first month, Sarihan. I love you for Evs. I miss you.